The countdown is on. We move on Wednesday. Today is Monday. So I am just packing up the stuff that we have here. We've been staying at a house of one of Brennan's friends and it's been such an awesome, fun time. But we're definitely ready to have our own space, have things finally unpacked. It'll have been over 2 months since we actually had our own place with things unpacked and all that stuff. So we're very excited. I have my Summer Fridays overtime mask, but this mask is like an exfoliating, rejuvenating mask because my skin's looking a little dull, and nothing like a mask and some coffee to start the day, right, Lily?
Yeah.
Oh, the Polly Pocket obsession continues. If you saw my last vlog, Lily is loving Polly Pockets. So I picked up this one at Superstore actually. I also found it on Amazon, but I found it on sale at Superstore. It's a little ice cream truck. And I really need to get a couple emails. Okay, I really need to get a couple emails done right now. So I am going to open this and hope that it distracts her for a little bit. You want to open this? Oh yeah, it is a car. Well, it's a van.
Polly.
The time has come to show our new place. This has been a few months in the making, and I'm gonna show you, but you have to promise that you're not gonna judge the mess and chaos that it is. We just moved in yesterday. Yes. And I've been trying to unpack by myself. Brennan has been working still, super long days, 12-hour days. So it's just been Lily and I trying to unpack, trying to get things organized. I'm so excited to show you. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen my stories where I asked people to choose, help us vote for Unit 1 or Unit 2. Unit 1 is the unit that we originally leased, we originally wanted, and then they showed us Unit 2.
Mommy.
You guys,
Mommy.
this entire morning, she's
Mommy.
basically been,
Mommy.
yes, I am your mommy.
Mommy.
This entire morning, pretty much, she's been playing independently, reading her books, doing her little activities. The second I turn the camera on, she just won't stop talking. Anyways, we had people vote Unit 1 or Unit 2, and then we were like, what do we do? Unit 2 is more expensive, but there's more natural light. Unit 1 has essentially a better view because it's right on the harbor view. So anyways, let's see. So we went with Unit 2. The reason we went with Unit 2 is because there's so much more natural light. It's on a corner. I've never done this wide view. I don't know how it's gonna look for you guys, but it's on my phone. I'm recording on my phone. Got a new phone finally. If you follow me on Instagram as well, you would have seen that I had no sound on my old phone for a while. But anyways, Unit 2, because it's on the corner. The other unit, Unit 1, there was no natural light in the bedrooms because there was no windows in the bedrooms. So here, let me restart. This is the front entrance, the only entrance, I guess, because it's an apartment building. There's amazing space in the closets. We already have our winter coats there. Can you give us a tour, please? More closet space. So that was the first closet, second closet. Yeah, dinosaur. Do you want to see the dinosaur? Nice. This is the laundry room, which is super exciting for me. Okay, so... And then you walk in here and it's the kitchen and living room. I honestly cannot believe Lily has hardly been talking all morning. And then now she just won't be quiet. Okay, this is gonna be Leighton's room. You guys all remember Leighton. He is my brother, Lily's uncle. So obviously I'm gonna move all this stuff out. I picked up these mirrors from a dress shop that's moving, or was moving. They're 6'10", 4 feet wide. And they were $150, which is an absolute steal for full-length mirrors like that. So yeah, this is Leighton's room. And then there's the bathroom. This is, I guess, in the yes, that's so great. Thank you so much. This is technically the den. So it's a 2-bedroom plus den. But I mean, it's basically a little bedroom. So we're gonna use it probably as clothing space for me because the closet's actually quite small, you guys will see, as well as a toy room for Lily. Or maybe her room. I don't really know. We don't know what we're gonna do with this room. Maybe you guys can help us decide. The oven and microwave, and then there's a wine fridge, which is totally amazing. The East Coast has some amazing wineries out here, actually. So this is kind of cool. These slide out. Cue sliding out. And I purchased this at this little mat rug thing at Winners yesterday. This, I'm so excited to use, is from a company called, what are they called again? Let's see, Our Place. I was influenced. This is called the Everything Pot or something. Anyways, you can like steam in there, you can do all kinds of stuff. And I was influenced because I was targeted by Instagram ads and I bought it. If you guys also follow me on Instagram, I feel like Instagram is the place to be. I bought some things like this from a Canadian company, but for like 6 times the price. I bought these ones, so I'm waiting for the other ones to come in. These ones I bought from a brewing company actually, and they were like $5.99 and $4.99 I think Canadian, which is a steal. I paid more in shipping than they actually cost. I bought them for my pampas grass. I'm not gonna leave that picture of Brennan and I there, it's just there. And then these I picked up from Superstore, these 3 things. I thought they were so cute, little vases for flowers or just to leave as is. I think they're so cute. And then Vitamix. This is actually the fridge, which is super cool. Very bare right now. Basically a bunch of snacks. That's actually terrible. Look at how bad our nutrition is. We need to go to the grocery store, Lily. Is that for Ted? Yeah, his Ted's food and water goes in there. Teddy's coming mid-September, pretty soon. And then this way, so this wall is all walnut. Yeah, it's all walnut. And we are going to put, that's a sofa that we wanted in the den. It doesn't fit. It's a shame because it is this beautiful pinky Sherpa material. The name actually is Sven, which is kind of funny. Okay, what was I even saying? The Sven sofa, it's too big. We have to return it. As you can see, I'm drying clothes on it right now, so hopefully StruckTube doesn't see that. But we're gonna return it because it's just too big. It will not fit through that doorway, which is such a shame. Wait. Oh yeah, give her a kiss. And then this sectional, once again, I showed it on Instagram stories, had people vote. We paid way too much money for it, but it is, I think it's beautiful. It is so comfy. It is actually so big. Like, the deceiving thing about this place, I think it's about 1,500, just over 1,500 square feet. This thing is huge. Lily looks like a little doll on it, but it looks small in the space because there's so much space. That's what I was gonna say. We're gonna put a dining table here. It's just a matter of picking one, finding one. They can be very expensive. We're waiting for bar stools for here. Her toy corner, which it will not remain like this. I do not like the chaos. Like, I right now cannot stand this chaos, mess, disorganization, but it will change. Over here, if you guys remember last year, if you followed me when I started doing my vlogs about Miss Universe 2018, I recorded them up in that building. So that's our old building. I don't know if I can point. We were on a corner unit over there. A lot of you loved our view. Anyway, a lot of you used to love the harbor view that we had, and that would have been this. So you would have seen this view except from higher up and on a different corner. We have a balcony in this unit. Unit 1 didn't have a balcony. So let's go to the master. This is the master bedroom. So this as well is another example of, that's a king size bed. So that just kind of shows you the space of the room. I don't think we realized it was as spacious as it was, which obviously the more space, the better. And to be totally honest, we need the space because right here, we're likely gonna have like a dresser or some kind of hanging system because, oh, another one of the mirrors. Because this closet, I mean, it seems probably spacious, but it'll fill up super fast. This is all Brennan's stuff. And then this will all be Brennan's stuff. And honestly, this won't even be enough space for Brennan's stuff. So we're gonna need the space over here and in the den for my clothes because we love clothes. And then the bath, I love the bathtub. Lily and I already had a bath in there. Shower's amazing, amazing space here. We're so lucky. We feel super fortunate. And then toilet, not exciting. Okay, here we go. Back out this way. That pretty much is it. So this is the apartment tour. I can't wait to show you guys an actual building tour and show you some of the amazing qualities of this building, the thought, the detail that's gone into it. It is truly, their slogan is something like live in a piece of art. They've thought of everything with building this building. It is just so neat. It's so cool. And what to me is so cool about all this is that we get to live in just like the heart of Halifax, you know? There's so much cool history here. So living downtown, we're in the heart of everything. And because we're so close to so many amazing coffee shops and all of that, I love being able to go and work. And so taking my laptop, taking things I need, taking stuff really, it is taking me way too many takes to film this and say all this stuff. So I've been looking at a new bag. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been looking at. It's a really pretty camel colored bag. It's by a company that I've got a bag from before. They're basically luxury quality bags without the luxury price. This is the bag I ordered. I'm so excited. It is a camel brown, 15 inches, which means it's gonna perfectly fit my laptop and still have a little bit of space for diapers, wipes, a few of Lily's Barbies, whatever it may be. So I did have a Teddy, I still have my Teddy Blake bag. Some of you may remember it from one of my previous videos. It was a gorgeous royal blue color, kind of the color of Pia Wurtzbach's dress that she won Miss Universe in, like a beautiful, beautiful royal blue. What is that? Caterpillar. Right now it's showing that it's on sale 50% off. Like I said, part of why I love Teddy Blake is because they have bags that are incredible designer quality, but without the crazy, crazy price. I know that this is still pretty expensive for a bag, but I'm telling you, the quality is so amazing. This is the style that I have in the other one, but it's the royal blue. And like these ones, like they look so much like a very like multi-$1,000 designer bag. But again, without the designer price. I absolutely love this color. I'm obsessed with camel brown right now. Anybody else? Or is it just me? Are you drinking some water? So the Labor Day sale is offering up to 60% off. So if you're in the market for a new bag, whether that's one for casual wear or for really just anything, as soon as I get mine in the mail, I will show you guys. It's gonna be just amazing. I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our new place as much as we have enjoyed being in it, and can't wait to show you all the progress we make and all of that fun stuff and how it looks in the coming weeks. We'll see you guys very soon.